Today at Crazed Performance Repair, we are going to do a quick talk about the Thinkcar scan tool. Why is this important, and why do I think everyone should own one? Alright, so we are talking about this little guy here. This thing is a very small, very cool, very useful scan tool. No matter whether you are into cars, not into cars, know a lot about cars, or don't know anything about cars, this is something that's highly recommended from me to consider. I was not expecting to make 2 videos on this unit, but I did because I went over on my other video, which I will throw up here. Oh wait, no, it'd be up here. I will throw up here in the corner. That other video, I go over my first time use with it, and I get kind of excited about using it. And so I'm just going to cover a couple things on this quick little clip. You can decide whether you want to watch that video or not. But this thing is very, very cool. And the reason I think everyone should own one, if you don't have very much experience with cars, this is very easy to use, has a very user-friendly interface, but best of all, and most importantly, is you can talk to a technician and have them log into the internet, and then you can send them all the live data you need, and they can remotely look at your car. So once they remotely look into your car, it's going to be pretty easy for them to tell you whether they can get it in, whether they think it's an easy fix, a tough fix. They won't necessarily be able to diagnose it fully, but they can get a good idea. Also, this thing is very good for the person who has experience with cars because they can look into pretty much all the modules as far as I'm concerned. I have not really taken it for a full test run yet, but so far I am very impressed. And I want to make sure that I get this little bit out there for you guys. So, novice or experienced, this thing is very handy. If you're a technician, be sure to recommend it to your customers. This will help you in the long run, as long as you're an honest technician. But the cool thing about this is even the inexperienced people can use it to check up on their techs, to make sure they're being honest as well. So, keeps people honest. Make sure you can figure out what's wrong with your car. If you're in a bind and you don't know whether you can drive your car, you can send the info to somebody that you know, and they can take a look at it. They can say, hey, it's just a possible loose gas cap. Go ahead and drive your car. Or it's just this one little thing. It's no big deal. Or, hey, this is something that's serious. I don't advise driving your car until we can get somebody to look at it. So this thing, very, very handy. Tell you what the engine light is, tell you what any other light is. Very cool device. And with that, if you're interested, be sure again to click that little eye in the corner and check out this video for more information on this unit. It's a long video. That's why I did the second quick clip. So you can decide whether or not it's worth your time looking into that video. But again, highly recommend it for everybody. I will throw a link in the description below as well as on the other video for this unit. It's a little over $50 to purchase the unit, but I think it's well worth it and will make an excellent Christmas gift for a lot of people as well. So something to consider. And with that, like, share, subscribe, and as always, I hope to see you on another video. Thanks for watching.